Greetings. In this quick video, I want to show you how to use your reusable coffee filter in any K-Cup coffee maker. And it doesn't matter if you have a Keurig, you might have a Hamilton Beach, you might have a Ninja, you might have a Black & Decker. This one's a Mr. Coffee, like I said. It doesn't matter what kind you have, it's pretty universal. So they'll all usually come with a little plastic container like this that you reuse multiple times, really 1,000 times. And the whole premise of it is that you don't have to keep using these plastic K-Cups, one-time use coffee makers, coffee cups that I think is wasteful for the environment. And frankly, I don't like all the plastic getting heated up and then drinking them. I don't think it's necessarily healthy. So most likely you got a plastic filter that looks like this. Some are pink, some are red, some are whatever. And so what you have to do is get your own ground coffee. Now, for demonstrations, I have the Starbucks. It's already pre-ground. So you can get them with the beans, but if you get them with the beans, then you're going to have to grind them up. If you accidentally boil one with just the beans and you don't have a coffee grinder, don't be alarmed, because if you have a blender, like a fruit blender or something like that, you could actually blend up coffee in a blender. And that's what I usually do, because I'll get organic from Aldi. But what I did was I put all mine into a mason jar like this, and I'd highly recommend you do that to keep them fresh. So this is ground coffee, as you can see here, that I'm going to be using in my K-Cup coffee maker. And the only thing you have to do is, usually the lid's detached to where it's spring like that, but of course it's got its own filter. And so with the coffee, I'll just fill it up to the rim, like this. And it works just like the one-time use K-Cups. Put the lid back on, and then go ahead and put it in here. Alright. Alright, filled up mostly with water. Okay, and that's pretty much it. It will make delicious coffee, and over time it's cheaper than buying these one-time use ones, because you can get 12 of these usually for about $5 at any grocery store or even at Aldi. But if you get something like this, yes, it's still $7 or $8, but you'll get not just 12 cups, but you'll get more like 20, 30, 40 cups sometimes, depending on what brand that you get. So it's much more affordable, and I think it's healthier because you're not consuming it out of these little plastic containers where you might be getting microplastic exposure. And you can get healthier brands when you just get it already ground, or even the coffee beans. You can get organic. I know you can too with plastic coffee, one-time use, but I think this is healthier and it's better for the planet in general. Now, a little side note, I did mention to you about microplastics, and how, you know, these one-time uses are made out of number 5 polypropylene plastic, and it heats up, of course, to 195 degrees and goes into your coffee. But you can get stainless steel that is universal and will fit with the majority of models. This is a Mr. Coffee. I bought this off of Amazon. It fit perfectly with the Mr. Coffee. It should fit with the Keurigs, the Ninjas, the Cuisinarts, all the brands it should fit. And I'll put a link in the comment section off of Amazon where you can get a pack of 2 for less than $10. And you can, of course, reuse them 1,000 times just like the other ones. And I feel like it's healthier. All right? Let me know. It's very important. Let me know in the comment section what brand you have. Do you have a Mr. Coffee like this? Do you have a Ninja? Do you have a Keurig? What do you have? And make sure you subscribe. And I appreciate you. Enjoy your cup of coffee.